What up, what up, what up? You see it. Working on the SS. When I come to a stop, see the real deal right there? When I come to a stop, the RPMs would kind of just be fluctuating, almost like the car was about to stall out. So, you know, majority of the time, the reason cause is because the throttle body's clogged up. Damn, man, look how clean she is. I already cleaned it up, you know what I'm saying? Just wanted to let y'all know why maybe your car's stalling out on you, or almost. But anyway, make a quick little video how to get this. Usually the throttle body's right there, obviously. You just come over here, twist this back, boom. Twist that back, pull it up. And then you push that back, you need to get your flathead. Get your flathead and twist that off right there. And that's usually on the throttle body, so while you jerking that off the throttle body, you take these. That's how it's getting held on. You know what I'm saying? And then this piece right here usually sits in there. You know what I'm saying? You just take that off. I usually put that up there so that way you can't lose it. There's a billion videos how to take off this air box. But yeah, once you get it off though, just set it somewhere, you know what I'm saying? And then just a little connector for the throttle body. Usually there's like a little clip that sits, this little clip right here. Usually you put it in. It usually sits right there inside. Yeah, and then got your 410 millimeters, boom, right there and right there. Holds the throttle body in. We're definitely about to see what's going on. Oh yeah. It wasn't this smooth after I cleaned the throttle body. So yeah, next time your RPMs is acting silly, go ahead and clean that throttle body. All right, subscribe. Comment if you have any questions. Yeah.